Good afternoon, everyone. It is Wednesday, May the 22nd. Wow, I forgot all about that. It's already May 22nd. And I want to talk about the class contents for this week. One important thing is that you will have your conversation test on June 5th, okay? Oh, wait a minute. No, this is the wrong class, isn't it? This is 7D. Sorry. You're 1C. 1C, you do not have a conversation test next week. Next week, you will have your grammar quiz. This grammar quiz I wanted to do for this week, but I wasn't able to completely prepare it. So I will give that to you next week. However, you will not have a conversation test, but on June 8th, you will have a midterm test. And that midterm test is all going to be on Moodle. So please make sure that the night before June 5th, the night of June 4th, make sure that your computer is ready, that your battery is fully charged. Make sure you bring your computer on June 5th, and make sure you also bring your charger, just in case, if anything happens to that. If you have not yet put Moodle on your phone, please put Moodle on your phone, because if anything happens to your computer, you can always use an iPad, you can always use a phone to take your test. But if you have no device whatsoever, I don't know if I'll be able to help you. Okay, so what else do we have to do? Today we're going to warm up with Quizlet. This is the third set from your textbook. This will be the last time that we'll use Quizlet from the textbook. After that, we'll be doing Quizlet sets from the shadow talking material that we're doing. Okay, then these are the textbook answers from the previous class. So the previous class was this one here, textbook assignment number 3, okay? And those textbook assignment answers from the previous class before that, I hope you already downloaded those. So then you can download these textbook assignment answers. Please make sure that you download that for the midterm test and for the final test. So you basically only have one assignment this week, so it's not going to be too hard. Basically, all the shadow talking that we've been doing, what do you think? How have you found it to actually help you with your English? Basically, does it help you? Doesn't it help you? Is it difficult for you? Please answer that and write it down on a piece of paper, take a picture of it, send it up to Moodle. Okay. And if you have any questions, please don't forget, you can always contact me at jdmcruz@gmail.com, or you can come and talk to me here before or after class anytime. Okay. Right. Thanks very much, everybody. Let's have a good class.